Anchors Away 90-second RV park reviews. Here's your host, Brent.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm at Coe Landing, which is just outside of Tallahassee in Florida. So let's go for a walk around and see what there is here. Alright, so all of the sites have gravel pads. They're relatively level, to be honest. They have picnic tables and a fire pit, plus water and power. There is a dump station on site. And of course, Coe Landing is right beside a lake. I cannot for the life of me remember what the lake is called. I will stick the name up on the screen. And of course, there's a boat landing so that you can launch your boat. The campground also has like a jetty, so you could launch your boat and park your boat by the jetty. They also have showers and toilets which are available. They're all free to use. They're also very clean and tidy. The campground's very clean and tidy. And of course they've got rubbish receptacles as well. So there we go. There's our review of Coe Landing campsite. See you next time, guys.
Thanks for watching Anchors Away RV park reviews. See you next time.